quick tip. Yes, this week so many quick tips, but it happens. If you do need to move your wheel, okay, like this. In my case, I'm cleaning the rims because it got some oil on it. See, so it makes it easier. An easy way to do is put your kickstand here and put your handlebar somewhere that, you know, see, has a dent in there, so it's fixed. It's very hard to fall down, and this way you got a loosened wheel. I like it, it's very useful. If you did like this quick video, thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do, because those quick videos, they come out every time that something happened, you know, or I remember that I didn't tell you something yet. So, and for that, you have to sign up and click the bell. Yes, the little bell. Bye-bye.